Dhaval, shall we start now? I think we have good enough attendance.
Yes, we can start.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Pandya sir.
Morning,
Hi,
sir.
Ashok from Team InstaOptions. Good morning, everyone. Mohit Gupta this side from PhillipCapital, and on behalf of my entire team, colleagues at PhillipCapital, this is a warm welcome on a Saturday morning. I'm sure, sir, most of us woke up early to enjoy the match and obviously the election results. Uh, yeah, I'm happy that India is playing well. So
Yes, yes.
we have a mix of people across country. So we have our own clients, we have prospects and team members who are actively managing clients. So obviously, Insta options and these features are relevant and important to all whoever is joining the attending the webinar today. So thank you so much again, everyone, for joining in. Very quickly, I'll brief about Phillip Capital. Most of us know what we do, but for all the people who are new, who are joining us for the first time, I'll take you through our brief introduction. So, yeah, it's my pleasure to introduce Phillip Capital as a pioneer of a lot of financial services in Southeast Asia, and we are a Singapore-based company. So we started the financial services arm in 1975 in Singapore, and Phillip Capital began this almost now 50 years back. So it's a proud moment for all of us. Globally, we are 50 years. In India, we are completing 25 years next month. So, the journey has been really good. We have been a global powerhouse in financial services and today have presence in almost 15 countries in the major economies. To name a few, Singapore, Hong Kong, US, Australia, Europe, and obviously all possible Southeast East Asian zones and India. With an AUM of close to $50 billion, which we manage worldwide, $2.5 billion of shareholders fund, and 1.5 million plus clients worldwide. So this is what we have. 5,000 plus dedicated employees across Phillip Capital Group. Our expertise span across a wide range of financial services, and globally, Phillip Capital offers solutions ranging from broking to banking, catering to diverse needs of institutional as well as retail investors. And in India, we proudly provide comprehensive broking, asset management, distribution services, and NBFC services tailored to empower our individual and businesses outfits for financial growth opportunities. Uh, One key strength of Phillip Capital has always been on customization, and we believe in tailor-made products for our clients. And that's how we've been continuously churning out, crafting products as per the needs of the environment and the client and the new regulations which are coming up. For the same, obviously, this webinar has been kept for a specific purpose, and it is not. It won't be fulfilled before we have a robust platform to execute that. And then I want to jump on to P9, which is our mobile trading and investment app. So a brief intro on P9. Uh, this is a mobile app trading app which we have developed and continuously adding features month on month. We are focused on empowering all the traders and investors with best of the tools. The P9 app is embodiment of the vision, combining cutting edge technology with our decades of expertise and experience in the financial market, with an efficient, reliable, and seamless trading experience. Some features I want to highlight about P9 is that it's an all-in-one trading app. Yes, traders across multiple assets, including equities, derivatives, commodities, advisory, normal cash segment trading, mutual funds, everything can be done from one platform. Real-time market insights. Yes, access live market data and advanced charting tools. It helps all the traders to make informed decisions. Quick execution. Execute trades at lightning speed, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. User-friendly interface. We have kept, and it's our endeavor to keep the UI quite user-friendly. in lines with the prominent competitors which are there in the market, so that you can navigate easily investments and analyze the performance effortlessly. And then yes, track and portfolio, manage your portfolio. Uh, you can track, you can manage, you can see the positions, your holdings, everything effortlessly. All this is backed by PhillipCapital's robust internal security and reliability systems. Uh, this was a brief about Phillip9. Now coming to the main part of today's webinar, the introduction of our esteemed speaker, Mr. M. Pandya Rajan. Sir, welcome again. Thank you for
Thank you,
joining
sir.
us. And,
Thank you,
when I was reading about you, obviously we knew, but when I was reading about you, more respect and more I want to learn and listen to you now next half an hour, 1 hour, so that we can inculcate new things in our profession. So, guys, just let me introduce him, who's a remarkable guest whose journey exemplifies passion, dedication, and innovation in the world of trading and analytics. Mr. M. Pandya has been an ardent trader in both Indian and Forex markets since 2013. His insatiable curiosity and deep dive into the strategies of legendary investors like Warren Buffett, George Soros, and Jim Simmons have fueled his drive for excellence and innovation. This drive led him to develop Quantman. Most of us have heard about Quantman, a groundbreaking algo trading platform that has truly been, a revolution in the Indian stock market. By empowering even retail investors and traders, Quantman has enabled over 35% of its users to achieve stable earnings, a testament to its effectiveness. But his contribution don't stop here. Recognizing the need of powerful tools for analysts and market researchers, he introduced the InstaOptions analytics tool, a game changer in the trading analytics space. And with a vision that extends far beyond Mr. Pandya is now working diligently to bring his expertise and solutions to the US markets. Today, he joins us to share the insights, experiences, and vision for the future and how we all as a community can benefit out of it. So, sir, over to you, and the floor is all yours. Before you start, a small note for everyone that any doubts which you have, please feel free to jot down on your chat boxes. We will take up in the Q&A session. Dhaval, Ashok, myself will try not to miss any. And if you have anything to ask, please do raise your hands. We'll, as time permits, we'll try to take it up. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thanks for your kind intro. I will share my screen, sir. May I know screen is visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, can I ask some questions before going into very deeply into the Insta options? May I know how many years experience of the users? Because if you type in the type box, then I will know what are the expertise, how many years experience you are having. Based on that, I will navigate my presentations. Can you please? Pankaj sir, 20 years. Okay, I'm below than you have experience.
Sir, we have a wide range.
Yes,
From
sir.
I can see from 0 to 35 years also.
Yes, sir. Because a lot of outlier data, I'm able to see this 5, 16, 40.
4 years in options.
Oh,
I think
15 years.
4 to 7 years is a common bracket which we can
Okay.
see.
Okay. Then I'm not going to very basic level. So I will start. I assume that everyone knows something about the market. So can I move forward, sir?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. So we, sir rightly said, we started as a algo trading company because I hate to sit in front of the systems. Because most of the traders, 95% of the traders are part-time traders, right? We are having one more job. We are also doing simultaneously trading. So that's why we started Quantman. Then only we understood still there is a large market. 90 to 95% of the people would love to sit in front of the systems placing their orders. Because maybe we call it as an adrenaline rush or something like that, but they would love that. So that's what we created the InstaOptions market. So at the time, equity volume were really high. Now options volume is really, really high. So that is the that's what we created the Insta options. So because once upon a time equity volumes are high, now options volumes are so high. So now whatever the changes happen in the options price, it is going to be affected on the equity price or futures price. So that's why we created the whole analytics platform. So everyone knows that we need data to come into the conclusions. Okay, so in the Insta options, we are going to do the data part on the option side. Now, now SEBI has restricted the weekly expiry only one expiry per exchange. So we are having the two expiries. Okay. So basically, if you want to win in the trading, we have to analyze three things, right? Trend, momentum, or mean reversion. So you will get the alpha if you do continuously any of the three things. So for the Insta options, now US market is the mother of all markets. That's what, if you log in through the PhillipCapital.insta options with your user ID and password, this is the first screen you are able to see this. So these things, you can see the S&P price and also volatility index of S&P 500. Why we are displaying these two things? Because we have run the machine learning algorithm about the Nifty movement with the help of US market. Finally, we came to the conclusion that S&P 500 VIX is highly correlated with the Nifty. So we know the importance of showing the S&P 500 VIX to the normal people. That's what we created this dashboard for this. Okay, you can add any stock or index with with this type. Say for example, I am going to add SBIN. Okay, you may see the equity part, futures part, and also options part, call or put. So you can just within a click you can add this. So if you want to place the orders, we are integrating the trading view with the Insta options. You just go to the buy. But it already pre-filled the quantity 10. Okay. Say for example, you are trading with the capital of 10 lakhs. You can put only one lot, right? Instead of 10, you may put one. But every time users may not change the quantity, because I have come across with a lot of traders, they put the quantities in a stable manner. Say for example, one trader puts always 10 lot, another trader always put 15 lots. So if you go to the settings page, there is a column called lot size, right? You may edit as per your customized need, 10 or 5, whatever. Okay. Then you can also, in the order window, you can select limit order or market order. Okay. Then we are having the two more options: buyer perspective, seller perspective, and a margin benefit. I will come into the later part. First, I will give you the overall glimpse of the Insta options. So after that, if you click the market page, you can see the long buildup. You know, OA is also rising, price is also rising. Then we can call it as a long buildup. Then index contributors, then find strategy. If you click the find strategy, if you say you would view negative, neutral, or something based on that, say for example, Bank Nifty. Yesterday, everyone knew that it was a rally. So if you click on the positive and find the strategy. It will show bull put spread or bull call spread, something like that. Okay. Again, I will come to the very important part of this thing, options data. Okay. So everyone knows in the options trading, options chain plays a very important role. So in this option chain, we show the delta. Delta means, say, for example, market is trading around 51,100. Why I am choosing Bank Nifty instead of Nifty? Because this is the last week of expiry. So Bank Nifty monthly expiry act like a weekly expiry. Okay. So 51,500, you can see the delta 0.552. That means 0.5 delta means at the money. Delta also tell the story of the what we can say, what is the probability it is going to be in the money. So if we put the 0.5 means 50-50 chance it is going to expire as in the money. Then we are having a nice feature. Say, for example, most of the traders right now, as exploiting the theta decay, they are doing the non-directional trade in straddle and strangle. So no one, most of the people knows the strangle and straddle difference, but I will tell you the briefly. If you sell ATM call and put, it is being called straddle. If you sell the OTM call and put, it is being called strangle. Okay, I am going to put simple straddle, sell, and also sell. If we can add both, it is we are calling as a basket orders. You just click on the execute button, it will execute. But unfortunately, today market is not available, so you can do that. Instead of market, you can place the orders in limit also, even stop loss orders also possible. You can edit your quantity. You can change sell to buy to sell, whatever the things you wanted to execute. Say, for example, I am doing short straddle. Okay. You want to see the payoff graph. Can you see the analyze button? You just click on the analyze button. Then it will show the, 10 lots. So it will show the payoff graph. So what is the max profit, max loss, risk reward ratio, positional wise delta, gamma, everything has shown. So this is the stuff we are seeing. Then come to the OA statistics part. Before going to explain the OA statistics, I am going to show you the Bank Nifty yesterday chart. We integrated our platform with the trading view, so you can do anything with the same platform. Say, for example, I'm going to add super trend for understanding the trending nature of the market. I prefer 10,3. It is on the 5 minutes charts. That's it. Okay. Say, for example, yesterday market was in a rally mode, right? We don't know until end of the market it was a trending market or not. Okay. Say, for example, assume that yesterday time is 9:20. Okay. At the time, we don't know whether market would go up or not, right? So how can we say market will go up or not, right? We don't know, right? But it is showing some seeds. Say, for example, first candle is the very bullish candle, right? At the same time, if you go and see the options data, okay, in the green color, it is the call options OA. Red color is the put options OA. Okay. Say, for example, until yesterday, most of the, okay, first of all, before going into the deep, I'm going to ask the very basic questions. Who creates the options market, buyers or sellers? Can you please type on that? Great. Everyone says very correctly, sellers. So, because sellers is having huge money, and also they are facing the unlimited upside risk, right? So they are creating the positions. Can you see that? Can you see that a lot of call option sellers cover their selling positions while market was in trending? Say for example, 50,500 call. 5 lakh quantities they unwinded. Call OA change minus 4.73 lakhs. Put OA change 3.39 lakhs. Okay. Instead of bank nifty, we are going to see the nifty also. Same trend. Say for example, yesterday market opened around 23,500, right? 23,500 call also unwinded. Even 23,700 call also unwind by the sellers. Okay. You can see as a whole picture OA. If you just within a click, you can see the OA changes, and also change is being calculated from the previous day close. But if you want from the starting of the day, you can change it. It will show the difference data. Now I'm going to come into the trending OA part. Okay. So I already told this red color line is the sell put option sellers. This green color is the call option sellers. We selected some strikes based on the open of the market. We just minus the call option sellers from the put option sellers. Okay. So say for example, this is the blue color line. It is, we are calling as a trending OA. So this red color line is a put option sellers, call option sellers. Can you see that from the starting day itself, put option sellers were so high. Call option sellers could not aggressively write their positions, because can you see that? Because everyone knows from the Dow theory, if it is going from higher highs to another higher high, then they are winning. Can you see that put option sellers higher highs being formed, but in the call options, no higher high has been formed. So after the 1 o'clock, can you see that still put option sellers wrote the options, but call option sellers unwind their positions. So if you minus the call options writing from the put options writing, we will get the blue line. We are showing that if anything is being traded above the zero, put option sellers are winning. If anything is being traded below the zero, call option sellers are winning. Yesterday, the whole day, can you see that the put option sellers were winning? Okay. You can recheck with the put call ratio. Put call ratio means nothing but the put options, number of put options divided by the number of call options. It also tells you the same story. Okay. Now I am going to the another important part, option chart. Okay. I am going to keep this strike 23,500. Why I choose 23,500? Because yesterday Nifty opened around 23,500. Because at the time we did not know whether market was going to up or not. Okay. This green color is 23,500 call options open interest. This 23,500 is a put options. Can you see that from the beginning itself, put options sellers are selling aggressively. Call option sellers also selling aggressively in the until 10 o'clock. After that, they were covering their positions. After that, no new high was formed in the call options open interest. So once it breaks the day's low, can you see that this point, 1 o'clock, around 1 o'clock. So most of the call options writers have come into the pitches to cover their calls. So then momentum was happening. This momentum has been happened because of highly cover call options writers. Okay, but put options writers from the day itself, they are writing their positions. So this is the power of them. One more thing, you can place orders anything from here itself. You can easily buy. Okay, go to the OA statistics. Okay, I am seeing most of the put options writers were writing 23,500 put. So within just a click, it will open. You can change from buy to sell, execute the orders. Execute the orders. Okay, so this is the basic stuff. Okay, second thing is I am going to move into the strategy part. Okay, so payoff chart, because I have been knowing that most of the traders have been trading 4 to 5 years. So I knew that most of the traders knew about the stuff. So I will move to the another important part, combined premium chart. It is the one key feature no other platform is having right now, because we integrated this feature with the trading. Say for example, yesterday 23,500 Nifty opened, right? I make it as a 1 lot instead of 10 lot for avoiding the confusion. So I'm always keeping it here, 5 minutes. Say for example, you created this straddle 353. You did not see anything, any data. So your view was neutral at the time. You can add indicators. I am going to add simple super trend indicator, right? 10,3. Because for the option chart, personally, I am using 10,2. So I am using personally 10,2. So you created the positions. You sold the call and put in the morning itself. But around 9:30, your combined premium higher than 353. It already 5 minutes candle crosses above the super trend. So if would have exited this trade, you would come out with a minor loss, because after that combined premium value goes up. So as a option seller, you know when to exit the trade, because options buyers, most of the options buyers are thinking like a thesis. Out of 10 trades, 4 trades only will make money. 6 trades will lose money, like venture capitalist. But in option sellers, you are thinking like a insurance agent. You always think about the worst case, because 70% of the probability you are having on your end. So once markets gets the momentum, you should have exited the trades. So this is the feature. Say for example, instead of short straddle, you may choose a bull call spread also. So 25,600. Sorry. I buy 23,500 call and sell 23,600 call. Then based on the combined premium, it also draws on the trading. Say for example, you can place any number of trades based on that. Say for example, can you see the green color place all orders? If you just click the place all orders, it will execute simultaneously. Okay, but there is a catch, because you are having both buy leg and sell leg, right? So for getting the margin benefit, first buy order should have entered, then only sell order should have entered. Okay, if you go to the setting, can you see the margin benefit? Yes or no? If already you choose yes, first InstaOptions place the buy orders first, then it is going to execute the sell orders. Then you will get the margin. You will get the margin benefit. Say for example, you are having 50 lakhs on your account. You want to execute 50 lots of the bull call spread, right? If you place directly, you would not place the order. But if you place through the InstaOptions, it will execute the buy order, then execute the sell orders. Then it will be easily, you can do whatever the strategies you wanted. So in case if you want to convert it into bull call spread into bull call ladder or something, you can add legs. You can remove these legs very easily. Okay, whatever the orders we have been placing, you can go to see the orders book, because today market is closed, right? You can see the opens orders separately. You can see the order book, trade book, holding book, basket orders also, because I have already created the one basket, right? I will tell you another. Say for example, I'm going to delete this. Okay. Say for example, at the start of the day, you are being very clear. I'm going to place the iron condor step, right? So sell one OTM call, buy OTM call, then sell one more OTM, buy one more OTM. So you can execute from here or add to baskets. If you add to the baskets, it will show it on the basket orders page. So you will execute directly from here itself. So these are the benefits you are having there. So even if you forget in the settings page, before placing the orders, we will show you are going to get the margin benefits or not. If you click yes, buy orders first executed, then only sell orders will be executed. If you say no, simultaneously all orders will be hit in the market at the same time. Okay, these are the very basic stuff about the InstaOptions. If you want to have any questions, please let me know. I will answer one by one your questions, please. Yeah, we will put the stop loss and target. As a whole strategy, we could not put it because it is being calculated on the back end. So it is not possible right now in the InstaOptions, but definitely we'll do that. Mr. Atul. Short covering in calls. Mr. Safikan asked short covering in calls, short build-up inputs. Yes. It is kind of a bullish signal. OCO orders right now are not possible, but definitely will create it, sir. Atul, sir. How to check on charts? How to check on charts means I don't understand, sir. Sasikan, sir. Yeah, Mr. Vamsi, if you wanted to create the bull call spread, if you remove the margin, if you put margin benefit no, then it both orders will hit on a simultaneous basis, sir. Can we put stop loss target? Trailing stop loss is not possible because it is being calculated on the engine side. That's what we did not do that, Mr. Sanjay, sir. Personally to trade. Okay, Mr. Pankaj sir asked about any strategy do you recommend? Okay, I will tell you the one very simple strategy for you, sir. Okay, because this strategy I am also doing. So don't worry about the any step. Only thing is take a 5 minutes candle, okay, and put the RSI indicator, okay. I'm going to put 60, 40. Upper limit is 60, 40. Okay. So we are going to place the trades whenever RSI is being traded above RSI 60. At the same time, 5 minutes candle close is being traded above the previous day high. Can you see that? This is the previous day high. Okay, this is the previous day high because Thursday market has been falling from this high. Okay, so if you this 5 minutes candle is being traded above the previous day high. At the same time, RSS is being traded above the 60. It is the entry conditions. When do you exit? Just add the super trend 10,2. Because this strategy I have been backtesting in the Quantman personally, I have been using. Okay. Whenever the 5-minute candle close is being traded below the super trend, you are going to exit the trade. It is the simple strategy, it will work. So we are using super trend. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rajiv Kumar sir, we will use the super trend for both entry and exit because super trend act like a swing high and swing low. So we will use it. Regarding placing basket, yes, we can place the basket orders with the limit orders. The problem is, suppose if it would not happen one side, then it would become like a directional trade, Rahul sir.
So Mohit
Yes,
here.
yes, sir. Please, sir.
If you want, shall we take questions one by one because participants can't read others' questions. So
Okay, okay.
Dhaval will announce the question and then you can answer.
Sure, sure, sir.
Or,
Sure, sir.
or
Please, please.
are you yet to finish your presentation or something you want to show before we start?
No, sir, because I wanted I
The
wanted
questions
to
only. Correct.
questions from the users.
Dhaval, you can take it up so that everyone is aware what is happening.
Yes, thanks, Mohit. So thanks, Pandiyarajan sir. So we'll
Thank you,
just
sir.
the questions one by one. So we see many common questions as well. So we'll
Okay, sir.
club those questions together so that it helps everyone. Yeah.
Okay.
So we have first question from Mr. Minal. So his question is regarding multi-leg strategy. So if trader wants to put a spread for multi-leg strategy, that if a particular market spread is reached, to initiate that particular strategy. So and after initiation to track and exit the position at certain levels. So can you advise how how or if how we can do this particular thing?
Spread trading we will do that, sir, but we are not going to place the orders based on the spread difference. So,
Okay, so
so
will it give any
yes,
trigger like this particular spread has reached or something like that?
yes, but say for example, go to the company premium page. So I am sorry. It is like a spread strategy, but we cannot place the orders based on the spread. You can manually entry and the exit to be done on the manually because we are not placing based on the spreads directly, sir, from the charts.
Okay, so from the chart I can monitor the spread and from there I can manually place the order.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because those things to be calculated on the back end, that's what we did not do that.
So
Sir.
that will probably come under the automation part, correct? To
Yes, sir.
automatically.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In Quantman, it is possible, but in Insta we cannot do that. So.
Okay, we have another question from Mr. Mehta. If I
Okay.
have multiple strategies running simultaneously, is it possible
Okay.
to store the strategies and recall instead of having to create them to analyze, example, combined premium, screen, etc.?
Yes, yes, because if you go to the orders page, whatever the multiple strategies to be stored as a basket orders in this, then you can recollect whenever you want it.
So it will not be flushed out by end of the day, correct? This basket.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
Okay, noted. We have next question from Mr. Rahul Doshi regarding placing orders through basket orders. If we
Okay,
place
sir.
limit orders, there is a chance that orders might not get filled. Is there a
Correct, sir.
feature wherein, if limit orders are not filled, there are new limit orders placed to get filled? Is there an order slicing option if large quantities are yet to be executed?
Correct, sir. Because that feature is not still not open to the users, but we are testing on our own end. Surely we will release very soon, sir.
Okay, great. So it's in the pipeline. Maybe we can expect, in a due course of time. Correct?
Correct, sir. Correct.
Great. Thanks. Then, is there any way to use super trend for entry and exit?
Yes, say for example, because but all the orders to be placed manually by ourselves, but we can check, we can only monitor from the charts only, sir.
Okay. Okay. We have
because
next.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
sorry.
No. It can be done on the automations front, but through the instructions we could not do that. That's what.
Great. We have next question from Mr. Ravi Sharma. I want to enter with two lots with same stop loss, but two different targets and break-even points. Is it possible?
Yes. Say for example, I'm going to place the orders in two lots. Then you can place one order one lot for the stop loss, different stop loss order in a different price. Another thing also you can do it in a different thing.
Okay. We have so during your presentation you displayed an expiry day chart for yesterday when
Correct.
Nifty closed flat. So
Yes, sir.
can a user see similar examples for previous data?
Exactly. So there is your options called live and historic. If you go to the dashboard, so if you click the historical options, you will see the dates. You may select, say, for example, 20th is a holiday, 19th. Then go to the strategy page. You will check with what was the price at the time. So right now I'm in the historical mode. 19th November, this spread had been trading around 78 rupees. So you can check it, sir.
Okay. There was one question. I've already answered that, but for all the audience, we can again
Okay,
take
sir.
this. So, as per the relationship manager, who conveyed this particular client, that this is not auto click. You have to click on the bottom of the order placement window to make a trade. So, I have replied that this is not an auto execution platform, but it's an analysis and execution platform. If you want to throw some light on that for everyone's understanding.
Okay, sir. So for example, there is a different thing because this is the order execution and analytical platform. So InstaOptions. If you want to execute on your strategy automatically, you have to go to the any of the algo trading platforms. So in-house we are having Conman. You can create, say for example, take an example. If you put any, say for example, I'm going to add super trend, simple super trend. So you have to sit in front of the systems when 5 minutes candle is being traded above the super trend. But if you give the conditions to the engine in the quantum, it will execute automatically. You could not sit in front of the systems.
Okay. We have one question from Mr. Rajiv Kumar, wherein he is asking about the average monthly return of the strategy in which we are using super trend for entry and exit. So,
Okay.
yes, sir.
But returns we could not say openly, right? Yes.
So, I mean, obviously, it will depend on different parameters. One is entering, so one can backtest and check the results over there. So, similar question, sir. Can we backtest on this particular platform?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All this because I told one strategy about the super trend and previous day high and RSI 60. You can do that in the content platforms. Backtesting also can be done.
Okay. And can we put mark-to-market stop loss and overall total target orders?
Yeah, it is on the pipeline. We are going to we are going to do the feature. Say, for example, on a particular day, if your loss reaches 10,000, it will square up the positions automatically. It is on the pipeline. So it will be done in the future. Sir.
Understood. So, and so this next question is more, to get your experiences from the trader's perspective. So is 5-minute trend better or a 15-minute candle, better for catching the trend?
Okay, because which time frame you are trading, based on that, which personality you are. So basically, in trading, I learned the stuff. Any strategy, whatever the strategy you are trading, it should be matched on your personality. Because you are a calm person, you could not trade intraday. Instead of 5 minutes, better to trade with 30 minutes. So if you are a positional trader, trade with the 30 minutes. If you are an intraday player, because I observed, I backtested a lot of time frames, but 5 minutes is very good.
Understood. So many people appreciated the feature or the screen where we have combined premium chart. If
Yes,
you can, show that again for everyone's, attention again.
definitely, definitely. So go to the strategy page. So most of the non-directional traders would love that. So I'm going to 23,500. So instead of live data, I'm going to change into the historical data. Okay. So I'm going to show you the 21st November. Okay. Why I am choosing 21st? Because that day market was a little bit of bearish, but it was a sideways day. So at the same time, market was trading Nifty 23,500. So I am choosing 23,000. So I'm going to add super trend. Sorry. So focus on that. So this is the chart. This is the Thursday graph. If assume that we sold the 23,500 call and put in the morning itself, we got premium around 172 rupees. Okay. But if you just draw the super trend for that, okay. Say for example, in the first 5 minutes, premium was melting, but again, market came down, down, down. So combined premium to be up. So once it crosses the super trend, we have to exit. But again, we are going to re-enter again with the combined premium of 168 rupees because this 5 minutes candle broke the combined premium chart. Then we are going to cover 148 rupees. Say for example, it can work like any time frame. Say for example, I'm going to change from 5 minutes to 30 minutes, right? Can you see if you are a positional player, 740, exited at 273. Again, you have to enter around 220, 149. So best way to capture the theta and a trend, you will use combined premium chart with the super trend. You will capture anything, sir.
Yeah. So Pandya, sir, we understand there are two types of traders in the market. So one who knew, of what trend, market will follow during the day, and
Okay.
they don't know what to do after getting that particular trend. And there is another type of trader who does not know what the trend will be for the market. Okay, but they know
Okay,
the
sir.
strategy, option strategies. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so we have found these two major types of traders in the market, with us. So if you can, give some insights from your side, how these two types of traders should approach market.
Okay, sir. Because if you want to capture the alpha in the trading, you have to capture the momentum. I will tell you one by one example. So this is the central chart. Okay. So most of in Indian markets, short time options are very much liquid. So no other chance. You have to capture the theta decay. Otherwise, your options will be decay very quickly, even though if you catch the trend directly. So I will suggest that super trend for trending, RSI indicator for momentum capturing, and Bollinger Band for mean reversal. If you know these three indicators would be more than sufficient to enter the market and exit the market. Look at this because market, we don't know at the at this place market was trending down or up. But can you see that market 5 minutes price has been trading below the super trend and also below the Bollinger Band line. At the same time, RSI has been trading below the 40. So everything would show that it is on the downtrend. You will capture that. Okay. Say for example, exit conditions, your style. Say for example, if you are a scalper, you enter the trade exit the trade here, because again this 5 minutes candle has been trading above the below the Bollinger Band line. But if you are a trend player, you can trade until this thing. So based on the time frame, based on your personality, and based on your risk appetite, you have to play in the market.
Correct. I mean, we are not here to advise, so we are just, just for education purpose, we are, giving this knowledge for everyone. Yeah.
Yes.
So we'll just take last 1 or 2 more questions, sir.
Yeah, please.
So one question common which everyone is asking is, how to use this particular platform. So, so I will answer this, if you allow me. So as a PhillipCapital client, if you are a user of PhillipCapital's account, if you have a Phillip9 login, you can simply log into your Phillip9 mobile application. From there, you will see the option of InstaOptions under the Phillip9 store. You will also have this option under the positions book inside your mobile application. That is one way. Second way is you can directly open this particular URL that you see right now in front of your screen. So obviously your relationship managers will help you with this URL. You just need to enter your Phillip9 login credentials and you are good to start. You can simply just start exploring using this particular platform. The next integration will be available in your Phillip9 web login. So that will be available from next week onwards. So you can also, directly from inside the Phillip9 application, you can start using this particular platform. Regarding charges or fees for this particular platform, subscription fee. So let's say example, if any user directly goes to InstaOptions, obviously there is a monthly subscription fee and stuff. But if you are a user of PhillipCapital's account, if you have a Phillip9 login, there will not be any charge for any users. You can explore all these features, all these advanced tools available on this particular platform free of cost. So there won't be any charge for PhillipCapital users. So I hope this answer will solve many queries that are there in the chat section. Yes. So I see majority of the questions are already answered. There are a few more questions, but considering the time constraint, so obviously everyone will have their dedicated relationship manager, so they can get in touch with them, and we are always here to help them if any support or assistance is required. So Panya, is there any closing thoughts on anything you would want to add at last?
Because today market has been closed, but if you would love, because I'm also love to take the live sessions with the users. So if you arrange the one kind of a webinar in the live market, I will execute the trades. Then people will understand better. So that's it. So,
That's great, sir. That's great. We would love to do that, sir. So we'll obviously arrange that in due course of time. So it will help all the traders to actually see live action what is happening on the platform, and they can also actually test the tools and all the options available. Yeah. Mohit sir, over to you. Any closing remarks?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for an extensive session. I think this can go on for hours if we continue. A lot of questions we had. So Dhaval, I think most of them have been answered.
Yes.
As Dhaval said, we are open to take any further questions basis. You can drop in your questions to your relationship managers or your introducers. We'll try to get back to you. Dhaval and team will try to get back to you with the relevant answers. And yes, for all the users on P9, please do explore this option. This is for all of us, even the internal employees. Great thing which we have integrated. Thank you so much, sir. Pandya Rajan sir, for your time, valuable time. And we look forward to have more sessions in near future.
Definitely.
So, thank you. On behalf of entire team Phillip, I thank everyone joining in. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you all.